Before Netflix, before cable, before TV even, Jamaicans gathered around the radio for this.
Covering Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the world.
Just pour the pot of silver top to the table and bring 3 glass.
AP, Chester, I tell you what we do with him yesterday.
He doesn't want to drink silver top and give water.
He's really didn't get that. Him a boy. He mustn't drink big man drink. Thanks, daughter.
Hey, brother, all 4 Ray and Sean go bring 3 glass.
Cause you're boy.
When we bomb the drive from the truck, man, you could not pop. We don't have to pay pan boss. Drink your breath, man.
Measure up to Silvertop, the man's gin.
If you grew up in Jamaica in the 60s and the 70s, you'll remember. Everybody was glued to the radio wherever they were when the radio drama was on. My mom and family friends would talk about it for days. Dulcimina, remember that? Mortimer Simmonds. These characters were real to them. And as a result, they became a part of my life growing up. RGR and JBC brought us stories in our voices. Patois, our struggles, our humor. It was how we saw ourselves before anyone else told our story. Pure Jamaican culture. If you remember these radio dramas, drop the names in the comment section. If you remember any of the storylines from these dramas, can you add that as well? I am struggling because my mom cannot remember the details anymore. I would love to be able to share it, and I'm sure there are others from her generation and older who would love to even get their memories jarred from the experiences they had from those days. Let's bring back these memories. Tag someone who remembers.